Welcome to our tutorial on using Mass Texture in eDrawings. eDrawings carry mass property and texture information that was applied in SolidWorks. I'm going to apply materials and texture to this part right in SolidWorks. Right-click and select Edit Material. I'm going to choose Plastics. No, let's see. Carbon Fibers. Here we go. Zoltec Panex 33. We can make changes to the visual properties of the carbon fiber right here. And let's click OK. Now let's apply texture. Right-click, select Appearance, Texture. Okay, let's choose Plastic, Composite, Carbon Fiber. We can also adjust the texture properties in this area by moving these levers. Click OK. Now we're going to publish the eDrawing with the current configuration. Click OK. And we see the texture that we've chosen. Let's go to Tools, Mass Properties. We can review various properties of this material: density, mass, volume. Here in the density field, you'll see that it shows 0 grams per cubic millimeter. This is because our decimal places are set too few. We've only got 2 decimal places. Let's change it to 4. And we do have some density now of 0.0018 grams per cubic millimeter. We can also change our unit of measurement. We do have a number of options available to us here. Let's click OK. And this concludes our overview of mass properties and texture in eDrawings.